Hi and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets for Friday the 1st of August. Non-farm payrolls Friday, and I'm going to look at dollar yen now. And this dollar yen chart, interesting. I'm finding this increasingly interesting, in fact. You had this breakout, yes, that's fine, above 102.80, but 102.80 remains a level at which I think is still important, because you've had a close yesterday at 2 days ago 102.78, and a close yesterday at 102.79. So I still think that this 102.80 level is key on this chart. Remains a big important pivot level. You've had some dollar strength today in the early trading and in the Asian session, but it's just drifting off again. I mean, that's not amazingly large drift lower, but still. This is on the intraday chart. Now you can see a slight consolidation, really, rather than any major upside, but it still remains underneath this breakout high from Wednesday, 103.08. And you've got this RSI up at 70, which does suggest certainly strong momentum, which is obvious considering we've had this such a big move higher. But what I'm going to show you now is that you've got the yen. I haven't put the Bollinger Bands on, so you've just had to come in with a different chart. But anyway, trading entirely outside yesterday, entirely outside the Bollinger Bands. And that suggests a very stretched bit of trading for the dollar. Now, that would suggest that perhaps we're going to see limited upside potential from here, and the possibility of a correction is definitely growing. And I think we need to be just concentrating on that now, because I think that this is a possibility that the dollar yen could start to either correct, or just in the very least consolidate at these levels. So chasing it higher from this sort of range is maybe not necessarily the best idea, I think. So yeah, just watch out for that. I think if you start to trade on the intraday chart, if you start to trade below 102.70, I think that could be a bit of a signal there, because 102.80 seems to be a closing level support, but certainly on the intraday chart 102.70 is that low over the past couple of days, so that is a level that I think you need to be looking out for. Anyway, big volatility today. You've got non-farm payrolls out. That's 130 could have a significant impact on this chart, but until then, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.